Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. Italy's consumer price index at 9 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT. The UK's current account at 6 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
US President Donald Trump said he would love if Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell were to resign, and the president also said he wanted interest rates cut to 1%. Trump has long attacked the Federal Reserve Chair over interest rates that the US president wants lowered. Wall Street extended its rally, sending the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to all-time closing highs, as trade deal hopes fueled investor risk appetite and economic data helped solidify expectations for rate cuts from the US Federal Reserve. Oil prices edged up slightly, recovering from a drop into negative territory following a report that OPEC Plus was planning to hike production in August, but tumbled about 12% in the week, in their highest drop since March 2023.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.4% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.